Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the text color using the Pixlr app. It is very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Pixlr app on your home screen. Now open it. Then choose one photo that you want to edit. After choosing the photo, to add the text, here you can find the option of text. Simply tap on it. Then write whatever you want to write to your photo, just like this. Then tap on to next. Now to change the color, here you can find the water-like option right here. Now tap on it. Then here you can find the color options. Just use the slider, just like this. Now choose the color and simply tap on to one that you want to add, just like this. And after that, simply tap on to the check mark. And that's it. This is how you can change the text color in the Pixlr app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.